Unit number 8 has its own private stair overlooking the garden. It has a remote security door securing the stair. There's room on the stair to make your own little garden. Through the door, and you find a large living area. Plenty of storage. Room for the fridge. Kitchen, 4 gas burner, including a wok burner. Plenty of power points. The sinks have drop-in trays and cutting board and dish drainer which fit into the sinks so that you've got extra bench space. This tap pulls out so you can fill a bucket externally. Nice garden outlooks. You have phone point and TV, data points for television and internet and Foxtel. The sliding doors retract. The balcony to a nice garden outlook and privacy. Plenty of space. Air conditioned. Smoke detectors. Plenty of power points. Remote control for the fan in the bedroom. And remote control for the air conditioner. Come through these doors to retract, giving you extra entertaining space if you wish. Into the bedroom, to the fan, large wardrobe, which includes plenty of hanging space and drawer space. Then you've got phone point and television data points in the bedroom. Ensuite bathroom. And plenty of storage. This is unit number 8.